Hello everybody, my name is Keit. So I'm from University Malaysia Pahang and my metric number is KH21021. Today I'm going to present a topic called Coulometric Titration. So what is Coulometric Titration? Coulometric titration is one type of Coulometric titration, and actually Coulometric titration has two types, which are gravimetric titration and coulometric titration. It is an absolute determination technique in which the mass of given substance is determined by measuring the quantity of electricity required to neutralize that substance. Alright, coulometric titration has a lot of advantages. So first of all, coulometric titration is highly water selective. It allows high precision measurements of water alone. Other than that, coulometric titration has a current and time duration that are easily measured as it involves high sensitivity measurements. Both time and current can be measured with a very high degree of precision and accuracy in coulometric titration. Coulometric titration generates very small amount of titration. In coulometric titration, species which are very reactive and unstable can be used as reagent. Lastly, there are no requirement of dilution of sample solution in coulometric titration. The significance of coulometric titration. Coulometric titration produces reagent in solution that are difficult to use, especially volatile reactants such as chlorine, bromine, iodine, or other stable reagents. Example: titanium, chromium, copper, silver, etc. It is possible to reduce a metal to lower valency state. The metal can be oxidized quantitatively to a higher valency state at more positive potential. There is no indicator electrode system is necessary in coulometric titration. The magnitude of final current is sufficient indication of degree of completion of the reaction. Alright, as I mentioned before, coulometric titration is one type of Coulometric titration. Coulometric titration has two methods, which are single chamber electrolysis method and double chamber electrolysis method. So before we talk about the electrolysis method, we talk about the principle of coulometric titration measurements. So the general equation of coulometric titration is shown below. And the example of coulometric titration is the iodine is produced electrochemically through anode oxidation. The water in the sample is consumed until a slight excess of iodine has accumulated. It is detected by twin platinum electrodes and define the end of titration. In coulometric titration, Faraday's law is used to determine the mass of water. Alright, now we talk about the electrolysis method. The single chamber electrolysis method is the method which anode and cathode of electrolysis is immersed in same electrolytic solution, whereas double chamber electrolysis method is the method which anode and cathode of electrolysis immersed in different electrolytic. The purpose of using two different electrolytic solutions is to prevent diffusion of substances used. So here comes to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.